In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more rune pages, League of Legends. If you've ever found yourself scrambling to edit runes during Champion Select, adding more rune pages is a simple quality of life upgrade. It lets you save tailored setups for different roles, champions, or playstyles, so you can lock in faster and focus on the match. Start by opening the League of Legends client and logging in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right for the store. Its icon looks like a stack of coins. Click that to open the in-game shop. Along the top of the store, you'll see several tabs. Navigate to the Accessories tab. This is where non-champion, non-skin items live, and it's the section that includes rune pages. On the left side within Accessories, you'll find Rune Pages. Here you can choose between purchasing a single additional rune page or opting for a rune page bundle. A single page is great if you just need one more slot for a specific champion or role. If you know you'll want multiple setups, the bundle is often better value and saves you repeated trips to the store. After you've decided what you want, select the currency you'd like to pay with. The client will clearly show the available options and prices so you can choose what fits best for you. Double-check your selection, then proceed with the purchase. The process is quick, and once it's done, the new rune page capacity is added to your account automatically. If you don't immediately see the pages, don't worry, there's no separate item to equip. Your total number of editable rune pages has increased behind the scenes. You'll be able to use them during Champion Select, and they'll also appear when you open your collection and view runes outside of a match. From there, you can organize and rename pages so your favorites are easy to find. A couple of tips as you go. If the Rune Pages option isn't visible at first, make sure you're on the Accessories tab and not browsing featured or loot sections. If you're deciding between a single page and a bundle, think about how many champions you regularly play. Having a page for each role and a few specific picks can save time. Finally, keep an eye out for occasional promotions that can make bundles even more appealing. That's all you need to do. Click Store, go to Accessories, choose your rune pages, pick your currency, and you're set. Enjoy smoother champ selects and more tailored builds in your next games.